I'm at Bertha Delapp's, 1739 Netherwood Avenue, Memphis, Tennessee, 38114. Claim number is 4273D698H. 41525 and it's 62 degrees. Got my repair area here, my control area here. What we're looking for today is material transfer, creasing, tears, fastener pulls, and granule loss. I'm using a roof snake. This is the shingle that we are going to be removing. I'm putting it back with OC Supreme Onyx Black. I'm gonna go ahead and test the granule loss in the control area. Wiping it softly. Go ahead and wipe it here. See the granule loss. So we're going to be removing this shingle right here. To remove this shingle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 other shingles are going to need to be worked on up under it. So let's go ahead and start this repair. Fastener pull on the one that's coming off. Fastener pull. Fastener pull. Fastener pull. I'm gonna get these nails out right here. So I got a fastener pull right there. Another fastener pull. As you can see, this roof has 2 layers on it already. You see some light creasing, granule loss. Go ahead and replace it with the Onyx Black. I'm gonna go ahead and start to nail this one down. Got to get it flush to be able to make a strike. And hear the granules coming down. Start to see some creasing right there. Granule loss. Gotta replace these nails. Can't go back in the same position because of the fastener pulls. See the creasing here, lots of granule loss coming down. Does not match. See some material transfer from here, from these shingles, a little bit of material transfer. We had a fastener pull there. Fastener pull here, fastener pull, fastener pull, fastener pull. We had slight material transfer. You can see some creasing right here and here, right there. Fastener pulls, granule loss. Tears, double layer. Go ahead and say this is a failed test due to the material transfer, creasing, granule loss, and fastener pulls. Replacing the other shingles around this house will just cause further damage to the surrounding ones, and we will not have a uniform appearance in color. Test the control area, repair area for granule loss. You can see granules coming down. Control area,